In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10,000 per month re-uploading free-to-use content. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do what these guys are doing. I'm giving you this example. This right here is socialblade.com. You can see the stats of YouTube channels. So this YouTube channel, it's making from 4K to 65K per month. I'd say they do around 20K, 30K per month. So if you do what I'm going to show you in this video, and if you put effort, you could be able to reach these numbers. And if you stay up till the end of the video, I'm going to reveal to you the system that I use to make $1,000 commissions. That will be at the end of the video. So just to show you something here, meditation music, healing music, relaxing music, sleep music. It's a trend that it's, as you can see here on the graph on Google Trends, is literally growing at a very fast pace. There's loads of people, searching for these keywords: meditation music, study music, relaxing music, sleep music, especially nowadays with this, pandemic, where people are at home, they're stressed. So this is really taking off, and loads of people especially on YouTube, are searching for these keywords. So what this channel does, pretty much, it has a logo, right? Meditative Mind, the name of this channel. And you can do a YouTube search. You will find that there's a lot of channels doing this because it's really trending at the moment. So what they do, very simple, just an image, Meditative Mind, positive vibes only, the cover here. And then their songs, just giving an example. So literally this is an image right here on the top, and at the bottom of the image it's video looping it. It's just looping, and you get this effects right here, right? And then they've just added the music as the background, right? And it's a 3-hour video which they just loop the same song over and over. So this is actually something you can do with the editor software very easily. So let me go ahead and do a quick search here, meditation music. And as you can see, a lot of channels doing lives at the moment, because this is really, and as you can see, videos get loads of views with this kind of thing. 11 million views on this video, 2 million views on this one, 18 million views on this one. As you can see, it's only an image kind of looping of nature and the beautiful relaxing song just behind. This video, 2.8 million views. Look at this video right here, 227 million views. Literally just an image looping and the sound looping behind it. 2 million. So 10 million. So these type of videos get loads of views because there's a lot of people searching for this. And so for you to do this, what you want to do is, first you want to come here to this website, which is soundcloud.com, and here you can search here for meditation music, and literally will bring you loads of meditation music here. And what you want to do is connect with these authors and just ask them permission to use their song, and if you could include the link for their SoundCloud page. And most of them normally say yes. So here's tons of quality music artists that are always building music. I recommend you jump on this to grab the songs, and then you put the songs on loop. You could also come to YouTube and literally search royal free meditation music, and it will give you loads of meditation and relaxing kind of music that you can use for free. Another thing is you can go to bensound.com, and there you have a lot of this kind of music. Also here at epicsound.com, they have a thing which you could pay monthly, and you have access to loads of songs that they have here. Also this one, festiliastudios.com, another website you can grab free meditation kind of music, relaxing music. And just Google on Google meditation music, relaxing music, free to use, and you'll find loads of websites with all kinds of music ready to go. But the very best one that I recommend is soundcloud.com, because artists are always building these new songs and they are looking for people to actually promote their songs. So if you can come here and, you know, just with a little bit of research, you can find so many songs and just get in touch with them easily. And as you can see here on Google Trends, this is really popular. And I'm putting here meditation music. But if I put here, for example, I have healing music here. If I put just meditation, just to give an example, look what happens. The graph just blows it up. It just blows it up. So the keyword meditation, it's so trending. It's so popular. So if you do a channel around this and just put meditative music in there, it can really blow up. Just to give an example here. So this guy right here, I follow this dude right here, Infinite Waters. By the way, I recommend you follow this guy if you are into spirituality and if you want to grow yourself. So let's go to videos right here. This guy does self-development videos. He's a psychologist, very good guy. Let's go to his most popular videos. Look, you know what's his most popular video? It's literally a deep sleep calming 1 hour meditation music. It has 6 million views. So, and all of his top videos are just exactly meditation kind of music. And the rest of his videos is just him talking. But just to show you that the videos that has meditation on it, that has, you know, calming, sleeping, deep sleep, this kind of frequency, which is the 432 hertz frequency, which is the, you know, kind of the universe frequency of relaxing. It's just a frequency. And literally, let me click and show you. So, you know, the sound playing behind it, right? And just an image playing it on the back, just a little bit of you know, editing, and the song just playing over and over, you know, he has it 1 hour. But just to show you that meditation and these kind of things really blow up on YouTube, and it's a really great way to monetize. You know, actually, I've just made the decision right now, I'm making this video, that I'm gonna build myself a meditation kind of YouTube channel. I'm gonna do it, and yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm gonna be doing that as well, because I know there's a lot of potential. So just want to put this out there. And look at here on the keywords, you know, the third eye, meditation, music, healing, relaxing, you know, DNA frequency, inspiration, happy, all of motivational. All of these keywords are really popular and really taking off on YouTube. And for example, for images, you could come to this website, which is pexels.com, and there's even more websites. And if you put meditation here and you go for videos, so you see all of these videos that have these you know, relaxing kind of image that you can use. For example, these type of video right here, right? These type of thing right here. There's loads of here. You can see all kinds of images that you can use here, videos. And there's all kinds of websites out there that you can grab images and do effects. See, meditative, you have people meditating. You can have somebody, you know, just put a video like this with the song behind and put this person meditating just like so, you know, doing these movements. You can put it in slow motion. So the possibilities are endless. And the revenue that is showing here, you know, 4K to 65K per month is an estimate. But this is just the revenue coming from Google AdSense. But if you were to put an affiliate link on your videos as well, you could make more money than this. Yeah, I just want to let you know that the possibilities of you making great income from this are really high. And as I promised, my high ticket affiliates model that I have going on, it's gonna be in the description, this one, which is my #1 recommendation to making high ticket affiliate commissions. It's going to be in the description. It's how I do it, and that's what I recommend. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I reply to everybody. And I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Thank you. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself, and I'll see you next time.